boys and girls, Miss Barrows coming at you, talking about our story and the apple life cycle. Now, an apple life cycle is very similar to a bicycle tire. It keeps going around and around and around. And just when you think it ends, it begins again. The very first part of our apple life cycle is the itty bitty seed that is in the middle of your apple. That starts our life cycle. After the seed falls into the ground and into the dirt, it produces a little shoot called a seedling. Say that with me, seedling. So see how my seeds get planted? Down goes my arrow, and there is the seedling. The next part of my apple life cycle is when that seedling makes itty bitty flowers called buds. Say that word with me, buds. So that seedling starts to grow little flowers called buds. After those buds grow, it produces a tree. Say it with me, tree. As that tree grows and gets more mature, usually in August and September, it makes flower blossoms or beautiful blossoms in the tree. Those flowers start growing the apple. Actually, those blossoms probably start in April or May. And by June and July and August, it makes apples on the tree. So this is the start of our life cycle, the apple tree. And when the apples are all ripe and they fall to the ground and the animals come by and eat them, what is in the middle of an apple? That's right, the seed. And then it goes to the seedling, the bud, the tree, the blossoms, which are the flowers, and it makes those apples on that apple tree. Do you see how my life cycle is going in a circle? And it keeps going and going and going to keep making some apples. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot about apples. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.